What is the value of the ratio yellow area to green area? Label point B, C, G, D, J, and E. From triangle JCE. Let angle CJE equals theta. By Pythagoras' theorem. The square of line JE equals the sum of the square of line CE and the square of line CJ. Substitute values and we have that. The square of line J equals 10. As shown on the screen. Take the square root of the equation. It implies that line JE equals the square root of 10. Line CE divided by line JE equals to sine theta, which equals to 3 divided by the square root of 10. We call it equation 1. Also, cosine theta equals line CJ divided by line JE, which equals to 1 divided by square root of 10. We call it equation 2. Consider triangle CBD. Let angle CBD equals beta. Use Pythagoras' theorem. The square of line BD equals the value shown on the screen. Substitute values and we have that. The square of BD equals to 13. Take the square root of the equation so that line BD equals the square root of 13. Line CD divided by line BD equals value shown the screen. We call it equation 3. Also, cosine beta equals 3 divided by square root of 13. We call it equation 4. From triangle BJG. Angle BGJ equals to theta minus beta as shown on the screen. Line BJ divided by sine theta minus beta equals the value shown. It means that 2 divided by sine theta minus beta equals the result shown. We call it equation Y. By trigonometry identity, sine theta minus beta equals the value shown on the screen, and sine 180 degrees minus theta equals to sine theta. Substitute equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, and equation 4. It implies that sine theta minus beta equals 7 divided by the square root of 130. After substitution and simplification of values. Substitute values obtained into equation Y. 2 divided by the ratio 7 is to the square root of 130 equals line BG divided by the ratio 3 is to the square root of 10. Cross multiply, simplify and we have that. Line BG equals the product of 6 and the square root of 13. All divided by 7. Label areas A1, A2 and A3. Area of triangle BCD equals the sum of A1 and A2, which equals to 3 square units. After substitution and simplification of values. Hence, area A1 equals half the product of line BJ and line BG times sine beta, which equals to 12 divided by 7 in square units. After substitution and simplification of values. Since the sum of A1 and A2 equals to 3 square units, it implies that 12 divided by 7 minus A2 equals to 3. Make A2 the subject of the formula and we have that A2 equals to 3 minus 12 divided by 7, which equals to 9 divided by 7 in square units. We call it equation G. But area of triangle CEJ equals the sum of A2 and A3, which equals 3 divided by 2 in square units. After substitution and simplification of values. Hence, substitute equation G for A2. A3 equals half of 3 minus A2, which equals to 3 divided by 14. It implies that the ratio yellow area to green area equals to A3 divided by A1, which equals to 3 divided by 14 multiplied by 7 divided by 12. The result equals to 1 divided by 8. Therefore, the ratio yellow area to green area equals 1 divided by 8.